Welcome back guys. Today I'm going to tell you about Etherflyer exchange. How you can start trading on Etherflyer exchange. Is it good for you to take your all funds on Etherflyer exchange, or it is good for you to buy any token on Etherflyer exchange? We are going to share each and everything. So before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, you have to create the account on Etherflyer. What are the things you have to take the safety measure in the starting? First of all, it is entirely a decentralized exchange. You have to take a very good measure about it, that you have to save your wallet address. Now I'm going to show you each and everything. First of all, I'm going towards my wallet, as I just want to recognize each and everything towards you, and I want to show you how you can do it. Here they are going to give you a private key. You have to save that one private key, and that private key is basically your safety, your key to enter in the Etherflyer exchange anytime. And they are going to give you an address also. If you want to transfer any type of Ethereum, first of all you have to send your Ethereum on that very address, which basically given to you in the starting of account. At the time of the account making, they are going to give you a private key and also an account. Okay, so you have to send your all Ethereum towards that one wallet address. After that, what you have to do the next? Okay, then you have to click on my assets. After clicking on my assets, you have to do another thing. You just have to basically transfer your funds from main wallet towards the trading asset. That thing is entirely important. Now, as you are going to see that right now my exchange balance is 0.01, but what I have to do if I want to trade, I just have to click on deposit. First of all, I have to deposit my funds towards the main wallet, which is basically given from Etherflyer. Then I have to do the second thing for the trading. I just have to click on deposit right now, as I am going to write it 0.007 I have at this time. So I am going to basically deposit that one to at this my account. Now they are asking how you want to basically send your Ethereum towards your main account. Then the second thing, you have to enter your password here. Then you have to click on deposit. After depositing, hardly you can say in maximum 3 to 5 minutes, your all assets will be transferred from main wallet to, you can say, exchange wallet. At that time, you will be able to trade anything here. Then I'm going to click, for example, I'm going to click on exchange. Right now I will show you main thing when I am in exchange. Right now you have to click over here and you can see three main options. The one of the basic option is airdrop board. It means all those tokens which were in airdrop at some time, they are all here. Secondly, they have the chance to give you the next board, and the lastly they have the main board. Now, for example, I am going towards airdrop board and I am going to buy ADZB token. Now, what I have to do the next step? Now, for example, if I want to buy any token from this exchange, what I have to do? I just have to click over here. For example, I'm going to buy this one token. How much I have to buy? Then I have to click over here. Then I will click on buy. When I click on the buy option, then definitely these assets will come directly towards my wallet here. Now, how can I transfer these assets from exchange wallet to directly main wallet? From main wallet, I can easily withdraw my tokens towards my Ether wallet or anywhere else where I want to secure and I want to save my tokens. I will take those tokens over there. So what I have to do after basically buying anything, then I have to do another thing. I have to click on my assets again. Now the other thing which I have to complete it up right now, that now I'm going to show you one of the major thing, how I can transfer my funds. Right now you can see I have XDCE token over here. Now if for example I want to transfer it up right now, then I have to click on withdraw apply. Then I have to put the amount of how much XDCE I want to withdraw. Then I have to withdraw directly. Then it will come from exchange wallet to my main wallet. and by main wallet I have the private key of that one, and then I will withdraw that one tokens to any of my account. It is entirely simple for you, so you can basically start trading over here, because the basic thing is that this exchange is giving us entirely decentralization. As decentralization, you all know very well the main thing, that with the help of decentralization we will be able to save our funds. So it is one of the best exchange. You must have to try this exchange once. And if you have any question, the basically comment section is open for you. You have to comment if you want to ask anything more regarding this exchange. So I hope you like my video. So stay tuned with us. I'm going to share number of best videos with you, and that will help you in crypto world and also in trading and everything. Thanks a lot.